back to lalalandcrafts YouTube channel. Today is day 8 of our 18 days of tutorials event. If you're just now joining in, you can see all of the links in the video description below and watch the videos from the previous days. And if you comment on the videos, you'll be entered into the giveaway for one of 3 $50 gift certificates to our online store. We would appreciate if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so you'll be notified when we post new videos. In addition to our YouTube event, we have an event going on our blog as well, where our design team members post each day for 18 days some projects for you for even more inspiration. Today I'm back with another collage style card. I told you I'm obsessed with this style this season, and this card is simple but yet so cute with different elements, papers, and the little Santa stamp. Let's start with the tutorial. I have all of my layers already cut and die cut. I'm using Santa, one of the Santa images from our new Dear Santa clear stamp set. It comes with 4 different Santa images and the sentiments. I have my card base already cut. I'll list all of the measurements in the description below. I have my brown layer and my layer cut from the Christmas hodgepodge paper pack. All of the papers actually that I'm using, that I used for the die cuts as well, are from this paper pack. All of these supplies are available on our online store at lalalandcrafts.com. You can simply go on our website, or you can follow the links in the video description below. I really love this paper. It's like a night scene with the little Santa holding his lantern. I have the star die cut from chipboard and also from the pattern papers from the same paper pack. And I like how it has not just the polka dots, but it has this kind of fabric linen texture on it as well, so it adds a lot of interest. I'm going to glue them together. I'm not offsetting, just the pattern paper die cut on top of the chipboard. And this is die cut with our stitched stars die. This is the larger one from the set. Then I have my red circle and the Christmas tree, and they're die cut from this plaid kind of design, just in different colors. So my circle goes somewhere right here, and I'm going to make sure that the lines are straight. Now before I glue my star and the tree, I need to figure out where my flourish snowflake flurry is going to go. So I'm going to position everything on here first. And this is the snowflake flurry die that I cut apart in half behind the tree, and then have a second half coming out from on the bottom here. Let me see if I like it. I think I like it this way better. It flows better. So I'm gonna get it, pick it up, and add some liquid glue on the back. Just a few dabs here. And my other one. And this little flurry element adds so much movement to the design and ties everything together. Now I can attach the other elements. For the inside of the card, I have the same size of the brown cardstock and white cardstock already cut. I'm going to give it 1/8 of an inch frame all the way around on the white layer. And glue it onto the brown. To embellish the inside of the card, I have the 3 Christmas trees already die cut, and this is, as you can see, the same design as the Christmas tree on the front with the same, I die cut it using the same paper. I'm going to cut the trees apart, and I think I'm going to cut it on the large and the one in the middle. Gonna cut it in the center here. I'm just gonna follow the line. It's pretty simple on the design, or you can use the cutter to do so. And then I'm going to glue them on each side of my layer. Now this layer is ready to go inside of my card. I really like how it turned out on the inside. It really ties in with the design on the front. So here's another card completed. All of the links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I hope you like this. I hope you'll give this design or this ideas a try. And I'll see you tomorrow. That's all for now. Bye.